How to Learn Any Language. Jeff Jr. St. Louis. Learning a new language will be enjoyable once you understand the following things and apply them in your language learning journey. Number one, each language is unique. Never try to find or bring your native language into the one that you're learning. Something might make sense in one language and does not in the other. That doesn't mean there is no relationship between languages, but rather it shows the cultural aspect of each of them. They have their own way of describing the world, so treat each of them separately. Number two, language is a communication tool, not a list of words to memorize. Since the primary purpose of a language is to facilitate communication, you should start learning expressions that will help you with your daily conversations. Never learn a word without examples of its use in different sentences or situations because a word might have several different meanings or definitions. So, you need to be able to recognize those differences whenever you find that particular word in a phrase. Let's take a look at an example in English. It is easy to book online. Imagine that you are an English learner. You have studied the word to, as a preposition, and you did not know that it is also used to mark the infinitive form of a verb. Would you understand that sentence? This is not all. The word book, B-O-O-K, has at least two meanings or definitions. It could be a verb or a noun. What if you only learned its meaning when it is a noun? Would you be able to get the message communicated in that sentence? No, you would not. So, I would suggest that you learn phrases or words along with their context. Number three, take advantage of every opportunity to practice and ask for help when needed. Find at least two friends who speak the language you are learning and practice with them. Remember that a language learner cannot make mistakes. When you're learning a new language, you are, you and I, are exactly like babies. We listen, feel the meaning by observing, and then we try again and again. Speak loudly. When there is nobody around, talk to yourself. Record yourself and listen to it. Delete your first recordings and record yourself again until you're satisfied. Find a great teacher who really knows how to help you move forward. See you later for more tips on how to learn any language. Now, go ahead and apply what you've learned today. Bye bye.